Hello again, everyone, and today I would like to share with you 558 Clay Furnace Road in Sharpsville, PA. This lovely ranch home sits on approximately 1 acre of property, has a front covered patio porch, 3-car attached garage, Generac generator, a rear deck, a fenced-in yard, as well as an additional garage/shed to the left of the home. Taking you up and across the front porch patio, for ease of showing today, we will enter the front door. Directly across from me at the front door is a closet for coats, and then stepping inside and turning slightly to my left, we enter into the living room of the residence. On this left wall, we have a large front picture window. And then on the right wall, we have a lovely accent wall for your television viewing area. Walking across the living room, diagonally sits the dining section of the kitchen and the French doors that lead you to the rear yard. I will turn slightly to my left and share with you the door and area in which you would enter into the home if you were to live in this home and were to pull into your garage. This is a spacious garage, plenty of room for vehicles as well as toys. And there is a man door that will take you out to the rear yard, your rear deck, and your additional garage. So there is more than enough storage for the items that you may have to store outside of the home itself. So if you were to pull in, this is the door in which you would enter into the home, which will step you directly into your dining section and kitchen area of the residence. Before leaving this section, I would like to share with you an alternate view of the living room space. And then walk you through the kitchen area of the home. This home does come equipped with an appliance package, including the gas top stove, microwave, dishwasher, and refrigerator freezer. There's a nice window above the kitchen sink that overlooks the rear yard. I will share with you an alternate view of the kitchen and dining section. And an additional alternate view of the living room space. Leaving the kitchen and then turning to my left, this door will take us to the basement. We will go there last. Now taking you down the universal hallway, the first door to my left is the full bath. This is a 3-piece bathroom with tub, shower surround, water closet, and vanity. There is also a large linen closet on the right wall. Returning to the hallway and descending down, and then the next door on my left, I will call the primary bedroom, as this room is the largest of the 3. Back in the universal hallway, and now directly in front of me, we find the second bedroom. This bedroom has a closet on the right wall, and then turning to my left and rounding the room, we discover a half bath. So there's a water closet and sink in this second bedroom. So if needed, you could switch them and make this room the primary bedroom. Entering back into the universal hallway, and now turning to my left again as I'm heading back toward the kitchen, we enter into the third bedroom. This bedroom is presently used as a home office, and the closet is located on the left wall. Taking you back down the hallway, this time I will open the door to the basement. At the bottom of the stairs, and then turning to my right, is a section of the basement that could be used for storage, but the owners at this time are presently using as an exercise studio. Had I walked down the stairs and turned to my left, we would have entered the section of the basement that is almost all dedicated for utility space. I will share with you an overview and then share with you each highlight of this section. Back in this left corner is the washer-dryer hookup station and a large utility sink. We have the electric hot water heater, and as I continue to turn, we find the oil forced air furnace. Just beyond the oil forced air furnace, on the opposite wall, we discover the electric panel box. Now in this far corner, turning to my right, we find the water holding tank, the softener, the sump pump, and then the oil tank for the furnace. I will share with you an additional view of this section of the basement. Thank you for watching my video today of 558 Clay Furnace Road in Sharpsville, PA. Please share this video. Please like this video. Please subscribe to my channel and help me sell this home.